Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you how you can go ahead and update routing process or routing steps in any production process. So first of all, we need to go in production module. On your left hand side, you will see production module option. Please click on this. Now, once you will come in production module, here is the production dashboard. So there is one of my production process which I have already created and I have added routing into that particular production process in BOM. So please check. In this production process, as per BOM, two of my routing are added, fitting and cutting. So basically, what is routing? Routing is just the step or an activity which need to be done in the production process, like fitting, cutting. So this will be done on the entire material, but there should be an step which you want to capture while doing the production process. So here routing will be helpful to you. So how you can go ahead and mark these routing done? On your right hand side, please check here you will get mark routing done option. Click on this. Now once you will go in mark routing done option, here is two of the routing. It will ask you to put a comment. So I will just put a comment of done on both the routings. You can use the comment feature, comment field as per your requirement. You can capture another details as well in the comment related to routing. Then after I need to select mark done and I will click on save changes. Once I clicked on save changes, please check my routing have been updated here, and accordingly you can go ahead and edit the routing or add a new routing as well in while working in a production process. I hope this video will be helpful to you in managing routing in production process. Have a good day ahead.